The lane departure warning and blind spot warning systems in Nissan Altima vehicles are critical safety features that can experience various malfunctions. Understanding these systems and their common failure modes is essential for proper diagnosis and repair. These systems are part of Nissan's Safety Shield 360 technology suite, which became standard in most Altima models starting in 2019. This comprehensive safety package includes 6 key technologies working together to provide active driver assistance. When these systems malfunction, drivers typically see several warning signs. The most common manifestations include illuminated dashboard warning lights, system unavailability messages on the instrument cluster, and intermittent or complete loss of functionality. Understanding the physical components helps identify potential failure points. The lane departure warning system uses a front-facing camera mounted behind the rearview mirror to analyze lane markings and detect when the vehicle drifts from its lane. The blind spot warning system uses radar sensors located in the rear bumper corners to detect vehicles in adjacent lanes. These sensors monitor the blind spot areas and alert drivers through warning lights in the side mirrors. Here's how the blind spot warning system works in practice. The radar sensors create detection zones alongside and behind the vehicle, alerting drivers when other vehicles enter these areas. System malfunctions typically fall into 2 categories: environmental factors and technical malfunctions. Environmental factors include camera obstruction from dirt, snow, or debris on the windshield, and sensor contamination affecting the rear radar units. Technical malfunctions include calibration drift after windshield replacement, electrical issues with wiring harnesses, software glitches from outdated firmware, and actual hardware failures of cameras or radar units. Malfunction rates vary significantly by model year. The 2016 to 2018 Altima models had first-generation implementations with higher malfunction rates. The 2019 to 2023 models feature improved sensors, but remain susceptible to environmental factors. The 2024 and newer Altimas have enhanced calibration procedures and more robust sensor housing. Understanding these systems, their common failure modes, and the differences between model years provides the foundation for effective troubleshooting and repair of LDW and BSW malfunctions in Nissan Altima vehicles.